Hello, I'm Julius Williams, and yes, you see nothing behind me at that. That's because WJTW is about to upgrade with some brand new graphics, music, new promos, and maybe a couple new shows coming by next year at that. Also, I'm trying to broadcast in high definition. That's when I get a better camera and stuff like that. Well, you see, I have no giant 11 behind me. That's likely to change, or I might put the same logo back up, but change in the near future. You can't see it, but I'm sorry. Here I got some new pictures and stuff from when I do my promos and all that stuff. And pretty much that's it. Just going to be some new stuff like that. Thank you.